Compact disc lock for all scooters and motorcycles. Twin spar lock chassis for double-strength cuts resistance. Alloy construction with 5 mm hardened locking pin. Unique design includes minder cable attachment. Minder cable. Short body fits discs where other locks can't, such as the Vespa PX. Supplied with 3x security keys. Attack tested. Top reviews from the United States. Good lock. I use it daily. Fits my Silverwing well. Strong lock. Point is to make yours harder to steal than the next one. It achieves that. I dropped it while riding in a highway at 65 miles per hour. Made a U-turn and picked it up. It is scuffed and scratched, but no damage to the function. Works like it was before the drop. Very happy with this purchase. Fits a Stella. Very few locks will fit the teensy disc on my LML, Stella. This does. Might fit other scoots with same pin size.